In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. Then click on this icon of a padlock. And if it's gray and padlock opens, that means that auto rotation is on, because your screen is no longer locked in this orientation. To disable auto rotate, use the same shortcut. This time, wait until it's white and padlock closes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!